welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Oreo cake with only 3 ingredients. This cake is not just very simple to make but also very tasty. And one of the good things about this cake is that it's eggless. If you are making this cake for any function, you can cover it with chocolate ganache or any other frosting that you like. But if you are making it simply for tea time, you can have it as it is. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now, let's get started. So to make this cake, you require 2 packets of Oreo biscuits, each of 120 grams, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So guys, if you want the written recipe of this cake, I have given the link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Cut the Oreo biscuits and put them in a mixer jar. Grind it till it turns into fine powder. Make sure that it is very fine like this. Then add the milk and the baking powder. Blend it for about a minute till it forms a thick paste. Pour the batter in a 6-inch round baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. It on the counter to prevent any air bubbles. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool down in the tin for 10 minutes and then demold it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.